Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Team section in Travel Boost. So, the Team section is your centralized workspace for managing everyone in your organization. So, from inviting new team members and assigning roles to monitoring user activity and controlling access, this section helps you keep your team organized, secure, and productive. So, when you open the Team section here, you'll first see the team dashboard. So at the top of the page is the command center, providing a quick overview of your organization's user. So you see here the first one is the total. So this display the total number of the team members added to your organization. Second one is the active. It shows user who currently have active accounts, and the online display users who are currently logged into the system, and inactive shows accounts that are disabled or inactive, and the last one is the agent. Display the numbers of users with administrator privileges. All right. So below the dashboard is a team member list here. So there's a profile avatar, display the user's initial or profile picture. So of course, the team member's full name, of course, the role, and the email address as well, the phone number, and the last login, like shows the most recent time the users access the platform. All right. And then on the upper right corner of the page, you'll see here the invite member, of course, the team settings, and hang on, yeah, for the same settings, you can configure departments, permission, and access. For this invite member, you can send an invite to a new team member. So here for the team status, each users belong to one of the several account status categories. Okay, so the first one is active. The account is enabled and ready to use. Online is the user is currently using the Travel Boost. Inactive is the account has been disabled. And admin, the user has full administrative privileges. All right, take note of that. So depending on the assigned role, team member may have access to different areas of the Travel Boost. Example, it includes user management, documents, calendar, finance and wallets, maybe reports, settings, client management, supplier management. Okay, so this ensures that every employee only has access to the tools they need while keeping sensitive information secure. So now that you are familiar with the team dashboard, which is this one, let's now learn how to invite a new team member. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to invite a new team member. Of course, you need to click in the upper right corner, which is the invite team. Of course, you will begin filing in the user's basic information. You enter the first name, of course, the last name, the email, the phone number, of course, the role, if it's admin, agent, or manager. So, by the way, the email address will be used to send an invite and allow the users to access Travel Boost. So, it's very important to input the email address of that team member. Okay. So the selected roles determine which features and modules the user can access. Okay, so if your organization uses departments, assign the user to the correct department. Like for example, if it's sales, operations, finance, or marketing. So this help you organize your team member and simplifies permission management. So once everything has been done, you can create an account and then you can click send invite. Okay, so your new team member has now been invited and will appear in the team list once they accepted the invitation. Take note of that. Okay, so hang on. What else? So, by the way, um, using the team member dashboard, administrator can quickly monitor user engagement. So, can have total members, active users, online users, inactive accounts, administrator accounts. So this information gives managers a real-time snapshot of their health of the organization. Okay. So here there is team setting. So when you open this one, you'll see the main four tab across of the tab page, which is department. So what inside in here? So it allows you to organize your employees into different teams such as sales, operations, finance, or marketing. So grouping users into department make it easier to manage permissions and improve collaborations. Okay, you can click add department and then enter the department name, of course, assign member if needed, then save changes. Okay, so below each department, you'll see the list of team members assigned to that department. So each member display their current role, such as agent, manager, and super admin. So this allows administrators to quickly review who belongs to each department and what level of access they have. And by the way, you can also edit permission here. Just click this one and you're gonna edit permission. Like there's module, of course, default, override, and effective. Okay, here. And once you are done editing the permission, you can save it. Okay. The next one we have here branches. So if your company operates from multiple offices or locations, this section allows you to create and manage branches. Each branches can have its own users, departments, and operational structure, making it ideal for businesses with multiple locations. So you can add branch that one. Of course, common name, address, city, country, and phone. And once you are done, you can click the add. Okay. And the next one, we have audit log. So audit log records important activities performed by users throughout the system. Okay, so this include actions such as updating records, changing settings, editing information, and other administrative activities. So the audit log provides, of course, transparency, improves security, and allows administrators to review changes whenever necessary. Okay, the next one is the session tab. Okay, this display all currently active users sessions. So here administrators can monitor who is logged in, review active devices or browsers, and manage user session if necessary. So this helps improve account security by allowing administrators to detect unauthorized access or inactive sessions. So the team setting is one of the most important administrative tools in Travel Boost because it helps you organize department and branches, control user permission, monitor user activity, review system, and manage active login section, and also maintain a secure and well organized workspace. And that's how you manage your organization using the team section in Travel Boost. From inviting new members and assigning roles to organizing departments, monitoring activity, and securing rather user access, the team section gives administrators everything they need to efficiently manage the workforce in one centralized location. Sounds great, right? And by the way, thank you for listening and we'll see you in the next tutorial.